Hello, this is Good Digestion with another game of Galaxy. Let's go. Alright, let's run Lightning Thief back. I haven't changed this list in a while. I'm fine with it, I think. Actually, maybe I want the Dragonling. It's just too strong. Well, these are terrible. Like, both of these have just, like, really bad positioning issues. I mean, I guess I'll just take the shark. Hit that thing, yeah, and then laser shark can ping it. That's funny. Okay, this is nice. Do we actually take this? Kinda think so. I was gonna say I really want to play a spell here, but obviously I can't pass Destiny. Nice. Kind of sad that we wasted two of our spells here, but... or two of our, treasures. I mean, this is also kind of good. I don't think I really want to take this, because this is going to be our next treasure. We're definitely playing a spell here. I mean, I like the Navi, but I think we're going to be strong once I play, yeah, like this. Okay, actually, oh no, this has to, oh no, I can move this around like that. I think I'll actually take a Rage Mage. I play very few Rage Mages, but, oh, this is cool. Get a few villains. But I think this will be good. Like, we want to get rid of most of these villains anyways. Do that. I do kind of want to play the spell though. Yeah, let's play the spell. Slot. Let's play it in the back? No, because we're going to keep the Destiny in the front, so let's just leave it in the middle. I think it's fine there. Oh my god, that's annoying. Well, we're a million miles from this, but Blackjack looks good. It's kind of annoying to have two dragons here, but I'll just bank that. I think I'll just take the contract for any future hercs that we might get. Okay, this is excellent. Yeah, Stepsisters goes. Or I guess actually, hold on. How close are we to Dragon? Okay, so we do have to get rid of this first. Well, I guess we're at 3 dragons. Never mind, we're quite a ways away. It's probably just not going to happen for a bit. Because I definitely don't want to cut this thing. This isn't too bad of a spell. Alright, let's cut one of the dragons. We're still like really far from that, right? Yeah. Twinkle Twinkle's really bad though. Huff and Puff? Oh, no, absolutely this. Okay, I guess we're never getting rid of the dragons, so... Oh well. Alright, show me crystal. Okay, half heart's not bad here. Okay. I mean, I really want this too, but this is insane. Do we need the stats? I think I'd rather just play this, right? Then we can... Oh no, but then we might accidentally have to put it on one of these two. Actually, yeah, now that I think I really don't want to play the Midas Touch. Man, I want all this stuff. Alright. I'm gonna take a turn off here and try to get a little bit more of a setup going. Crystal, awesome. Okay, now like we just gotta be in an insanely good spot, right? I mean, I think probably blackjack can go. Or actually, we're not gonna need this combustible. All right, let's do this. Oh my God! I just did on the wrong one. I had switched their positioning and then I hit the other target. Man, that's annoying. Alright, not bad. Okay, I kind of feel bad about using up the Guinevere when... I was gonna say when we don't have the potion, but here's this just in time. And then... Starlight? Or... I think it's clearly just in... Well, turn 10... Drop near is a little bit behind, but it is a lot of stats. Yeah, maybe I'll take the drop near. Okay, and then we'll play this on the right unit. Confused. What happened to the bottled spell? Gonna try that again. What? Okay. I'm not... Yeah, I don't get it. Okay. I wonder if the blackjack can still do anything. I'm gonna move it into the back, I think. Alright, I guess this is... Alright, really, we just have mop as, like, potential things to go in slot 5, but I think that's fine. Okay. Okay. We stole a bottled starlight. That's amazing. Okay. A repeater. What does that do for me? Nothing super obvious. Alright, this is insane though. Loki Scepter. Okay, so I really do want to try and find a Another mage. I think we kiss this. The big issue though is that like I need to, if I kiss this, I really want to find another legendary character to put into play to kiss after I take care of this one. I don't know, like how important really is the Guinevere, like is that secret rare though? The thing I really want to find is just like a wonder box, right? Wonder box and a mage. I mean, this could be a doppelganger, right? Or a Zeus. Zeus would be amazing. Echoing Fae, less impressive. Alright, I am going to take this Shadowmancer though, so I have my second mage. And let's see how this goes. So with the two mages, the Echoing Fae might actually be like fine with just regular stuff here. Okay, so I did kind of goof with that. I guess I could kiss the Echoing Fae again. I mean, I don't think I want to kiss both of these. Maybe I'll just hit the Echoing Fae, yeah. Doppelganger, alright. I like that. Fires is okay there, but I think I can do better. I do want Goldilocks. Like it'll be so insane with double doubles. Do I have a tome? I do not. This is a really bad spell though, I can't play that. Do I want to take a Jasmine off or a Goldilocks? It is tempting. It's like almost like a game-winning sequence if I find a single double-double. I don't know, it is stats down though right now. I'm gonna just bank it. This white whale is just giving me so many free treasures. Is he gonna like kill himself and give me a million treasures? That would be something. It kind of looks like it. I hit the whale, yeah. Trash can being last is a little disappointing, but that's gonna do a lot for us. Alright, I wonder if we're like about done with this. I think I just want to take the... Actually the Medea maybe is insane. More than the goodie bag. What does Medea do? We already have potion now. We also don't have like other... we only have like Conan I think left for secret rare treasures. I think we need the goodie bag though. Maybe Destiny actually goes. Because I don't think we have any other treasures for it to get really. Actually, yeah, I will cut Destiny. I think I'm going to play this over the gold Destiny. Because I want the Jasmine trigger. Alright, and there's a mop. Alright, mop, mop will play here, I think. We don't need the iron cast now. Shadow Man Hunt is great. More kissing, huh? Alright, I'm gonna just go for the Jasmine Dragon here and then kiss whatever the Jasmine Dragon... Oh, I guess it's not gonna go into the bottle. Yeah, it's gonna just be the Jasmine Dragon, unfortunately. Alright, Paul Bunyan's not bad. Not even sure that this does anything. Like, we don't have a, Yeah, it just wastes a lucky chest. I definitely don't want to do that. Like, playing a Presence of Gaia is so much better somehow. And I don't want to play that spell. Let's just play Jabberwocky and get another free spell. Alright. So it looks like it's just going to be us and Zeno. We'll see how much they've scaled since they're like all treasures comp. Okay, this helps. It's hard to pass the Lost in the Woods, but I'm not going to pass the gold goodie bag. Oh, maybe I should have though. I really didn't want to lose that lucky chest. Now I look like a fool. But we got the Wonder Box anyways. And then I somehow missed that and took a Brass Cannonballs. Okay, great start. Okay, here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. Oh, I guess, well, we have the Wonder Box, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I mean, we should be able to keep up with Zeno with no problem as long as we can actually find, like, the Eureka's and doubles. I guess I should be looking out for, Boon Willows at this point, right? Like, man, I really hope we can get this onto the Doppelganger. Yes. Well, I guess obviously it'll go everywhere with Wonder Box. And the Paul Bunyan too is really nice. I really want to get this Medea in play, but I don't think it can anymore. Because the Medea would go crazy with this lightning in a bottle, right? We really do just need to get a treasure right now to get the double back out. And a Mixo Matcha would be a really good, like, you know, backup plan. So I didn't put the double on the Sorcerer's Mop first. I guess I'm not. I bet. So when you have a Wonder Box, no matter what you target, like, it just targets all 5 of them. But with the Loki's Scepter, I wonder if I actually am supposed to be targeting the Mop first. I should ask Jampot. Okay, this is great. This gives us a lot of insurance. Limit Breaker. And we find World Shrub. Okay, this is still fine to take, I think. Okay, yeah, we definitely outscaled them. Their game ended a bit ago. Alright, well now I kind of just wish I didn't have to like deal with all these spells that I'm probably gonna have to deal with now. Let's see if I can just like sneak away without casting a million. Ah, abracadabra. Okay. Just more abracadabras, I guess. Alright, this one, sure. Shrink D, great. Shrink D. Oh, I should have huffed and puffed there. That would have been better. Oh, okay, this has got to be faster. Because all these guys will give me an extra spell from the hat, so... Okay. Oh, I guess this game isn't done. That Hercules is still growing. Alright, yeah, that was a pretty great game. My biggest doubt about how I played that is like my use of Medea, right? Like, I basically just kind of determined that I was at a point where I didn't need that system, but if Xenogemini had had bigger stats, like the stats I probably lost by not taking the Medea are probably pretty significant just because of the number of extra spell procs Medea gives you each turn. I don't know if yeah, I'm really not sure. I felt pretty confident with where we were, and I was mostly just determined to like try and focus my efforts on finding like very specific stuff, but yeah, I'm not sure. Alright, well anyways, thank you all for watching. I will catch you next time. Goodbye.